Welcome to an Edgewater Citrine. It's a 1,090 square foot floor plan that's open and spacious. It has 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. Let's take a look around. It has a nice sized kitchen with lighting above and below the cabinets. The pantry cabinet offers plenty of storage. This great room is cheery and bright. The master bedroom is large with room for either a sitting area or, in this case, a sewing station. You can make it whatever you want it to be. The desk, or sometimes called the knowledge nook, is in the master bedroom with cupboards above and below the desk. Note this large walk-in closet. The master bathroom features a walk-in shower with built-in seat for convenience and safety. The linen closet offers more storage space. The guest bathroom offers a tub shower unit for either baths or showers. The washer and dryer are conveniently located in the hall area that includes some storage shelves. The guest bedrooms are often used as a den, a TV room, an office, whatever you want it to be. Each citrine has its own private patio or deck overlooking the beautiful campus. Each citrine has different finishes. The others may have different cabinets, or it could have a tile kitchen floor or a different kind of wood. Each has its own look and personality. Residents are able to change any of these finishes to customize it to be their own dream home. For more information on any of our floor plans, call 515-978-2982 or go to our website for more information, discoveredgewater.com.